ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ చీఫ్ సెక్రటరీ ఆదిత్యనాథ్ దాస్ మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
This committee is not committee for the particular purpose, in the sense that for these the committee is to ensure that there is a constant vigil, there is a constant there is a constant, we have to ensure that these things don't occur. So this committee will meet frequently as possible. If suppose these things are happening, bring people together, bring everybody together, and not only ensure that these things don't happen, but what is happened, how the investigations are going on, how things are going forward to catch these culprits and miscreants. That is also part of the task. So this committee is not only, just for a limited period. This committee is there for to stay, to ensure that the state's history of perfect harmony does not get broken, does not get. It's a continuous process. అంటే ప్రతి కమిటీ అవసరం అంటే అందరికీ తీసుకురావాలి, అందరికీ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ ప్లస్ రిలీజియస్ కమ్యూనిటీ లీడర్స్ అందరూ ఒక చోట వస్తే అప్పుడు ఒక యాక్షన్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు అందరికీ తెలిసిపోతుంది దట్ వాట్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ డన్ బై ద స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఎ సింప్లీ ఒక థెఫ్ట్, ఒక బర్గ్లరీ కాదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద డిజైన్ ఆఫ్ ద మిస్క్రియంట్స్ ఇస్ మచ్ డీపర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సింప్లీ టు డూ ఎ క్రైమ్. This crime has a much larger design. To meet that larger design, everybody has to come together. And the government is, through these committees, will bring everybody together. The government machinery, the law enforcement machinery, and the religious leaders. Everybody will be together. That's why these committees have been formed.
But the common complaint has been that wherever the perpetrators or whatever the complaints were brought to immediately, whereas in case of temple, so far, no responsible person was apprehended by the police.
See, these kind of unsubstantiated facts also, that in some incidents somebody is caught immediately, in some incidents somebody is not caught immediately. These are the things we should not try to spread. Police department is doing everything possible to apprehend anybody who commits a crime, whichever. These are the crimes which has a design behind it. These are the crimes not that it is being done just as part of the moment or for there is a deeper conspiracy behind these crimes. That's what it appears prima facie. So in some incident somebody was caught immediately, or some incident somebody has not been caught immediately. Depends upon occurrence of the crime, evidences, etc. It is not simple one factor, and giving a kind of a religious tone to such thing is not, I wouldn't call it as a correct way. We have to see every incident. That is the reason these committees will look into also how the perpetrators are being caught, how it is being investigated, how the evidence is being collected. All these things will be looked by these committees. Everybody will have the stakeholders will have a say in the incidents if it is occurring, and also prevention of such incidents, that it doesn't recur again. If everybody is vigilant, I don't think anybody will have a chance or a guts to go and do something like this. As I told, there is a conspiracy, there is a design to disturb the communal harmony. That is the reason. Every crime has some motive behind it. The motive in this crime is much deeper. The deeper motive is to disturb the communal peace of the state. The state which is undertaking a lot of activities for the benefit of the people, that activity must be derailed. That is what is the motive behind these kind of crimes, so that the communal harmony get disturbed. We get busy with controlling these kind of things and don't concentrate on the developmental activities. That is the motive. To arrest that kind of a thing, these committees have been formed. They will interact with the people. They will interact with the committees also tasked to go and visit the places where such incidents occur. Confidence building measures are also there, so that when such a thing happens, the It is not only one crime which police system is investigating. The whole society gets involved in controlling such incidents. These things must not happen. That is the idea behind these committees. It is not a crime, a theft, a burglary, or an accident somewhere where the police will go investigate and no. This is something where the whole society, everybody has to get involved. That is the purpose behind these committees.
Sir, is the one main complaint, another complaint is about the growing religious conversion in the state. People are very
See,
about that. Is the government doing anything?
I mean, see, we are discussing right now the incidences against the religious structures. The conversions and all, there is law for that. There are chatta undi daniki. If something like that is happening, the government and the machinery is there to take care of that. But this committees, the focus right now is the perpetrators of these crimes against religious structures, against temples, to divide the society, to create that thing division in the society. That must be arrested. No.